we are going to be doing another origami project, and we're going to learn how to make a little paper dog. For this project, you're going to need one piece of paper. You can start with a rectangular one. I'll show you how to make it into a square, and also you might need a couple of markers or pencils to draw the face on. So gather your materials and let's get started. To make your origami dog, you start with your square piece of paper and put it in a diamond shape with the point facing towards your stomach. Then you're going to pull the top point down till it matches up with that bottom point, and then score your finger along it so now you've got a triangle shape. Then the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to bring these points down to that bottom point in the center. So pull it down there and then do the same on this side. So this is very similar to when we were doing our rabbit shape. Now we're going to make the ears of our dog. So when we're pulling them back up, we don't pull them up the whole way, and depending on where you want your ears to be, so you can make your ears straight like this, or you could also have them going a little bit out. Let me just show you, like out a little bit of an angle like that, from in or out. So you can always adjust this a bit later if you want to. So for now, I'm going to make it going straight up. So you can see how there I left a bit of a gap, so I didn't fold it the whole way in. So I'll show you that again. So fold it up here, okay, and instead of going the whole way up, I leave that little bit of a gap. And if you wanted to make them more pointed, if you want to make them going out a bit like that, you could pull it up a little bit more like that, okay? But you can always adjust this later on. That's what I did on mine. Then the top of the head, pull that down, so you're making it flat on the top of the head. And we're going to turn your dog over, and now we're going to pull up the chin. So we're doing this part here. So pull that whole triangle up. So again, we're making it flat. Okay, crease every time you make it, a line, and then we're pulling the top of our triangle back down to make the nose. Now don't pull it down too much because you need to make space for drawing the mouth. I'm going to get a grey marker here, and you can colour in the nose of the dog, and then do a little mouth and the eyes. So I'm going to do big eyes on our dog, make them nice and round if you want kind of a cute look on them, and eyeballs, big eyeballs as well. And when you go into the center, just leave a little bit of white for the eye. There you have a little dog. So you can add in, if you want, you can give him eyelashes, you can give him ears, so you can put little parts in for the ear. You could even, if you wanted, curve this over here too. If you don't want pointy ears, you could have rounded ears. So this is a really great second project to do if you're just learning origami. Do the rabbit first, and then you can make this little dog. So I hope you've enjoyed that, and don't forget to tag me in any projects that you do yourself.